My name is Alistair Lamb and I'm responsible for sales and marketing here at CLAAS Tractor. I'm here in Le Mans, France at the brand new CLAAS Tractor factory. You probably know Le Mans as the home to the prestigious 24-hour endurance race, but it is also from here that the vast majority of all CLAAS tractors are produced and sent to all four corners of the globe. With this 360-degree film, also available in virtual reality, I'd like to give you a real sense of the hard work that has gone into our state-of-the-art factory and hope that one day you'll be able to come here for yourselves as guests for a personal tour. So let's get started and take a quick look at the incredible job the team has done in making this factory fit for the future. The production process starts here at the north end of the factory, where the engines arrive in just-in-time sequence. The engines then meet the transmissions, followed by the assembly of the front axles. With the huge amount of product and option choices offered to our customers, very few tractors are completely alike. Once the chassis is complete with axles and hitches, it then heads to the paint shop, where it is cleaned, dried and prepared for painting. This is done both by robot, but also by our skilled paint shop crew. The painted chassis is then transferred to our automated vehicles. The old-fashioned chain is completely gone. Now we have one open, long, straight production line being fed from the sub-assembly lines located on the sides of the main line. Here you can see the pre-prepared kits float with the chassis for maximum operator comfort. Notice how much attention has gone into the lighting and ergonomics, and most importantly, operator comfort. The first step in the modernization was the cab assembly line in 2005. The rough concept of today's layout was even considered back then with regard to this location and orientation in the factory. With this final step, the distance to the end of the cab assembly line has been optimized so that the finished cab meets the chassis in perfect harmonization with minimal handling. Most impressive of all is the filling station. Whereas before it felt like a village gas station, we now have facilities the 24-hour race teams would envy. At CLAAS, we fill on the go. Finally here at the end of the line, the wheels are mounted with those incredible robotic arms. At this point, the tractors are ready to roll off the line. It doesn't stop there though. As well as the many quality control stations within the production line, the tractors undergo rigorous quality controls on our brand new test benches as soon as they leave the line. Now I hope you have a better idea of where and how CLAAS tractors are produced before they get sent around the world to meet their proud new owners. On behalf of all CLAAS Tractor, I'd like to thank you and hope to be able to welcome you here sometime soon.